Manipur Congress President and MLA Kaisam Megachandra has formally requested the 16th Finance Commission to consider a special finance package to address Manipur's ongoing humanitarian and economic crisis. During a meeting with the Commission's team currently visiting Manipur, Megachandra submitted a memorandum outlining critical financial needs, particularly for internally displaced persons and local governance bodies affected by recent violence. Megachandra emphasized that the urgent priority is to assist the approximately 60,000 IDPs who have lost their homes and livelihoods. Our first priority is the situation of the IDPs who have been severely affected by the ongoing conflict, Megachandra stated at a press conference held at Congress Bhavan. He urged the Commission to provide compensation to help IDPs rebuild their homes and secure other necessary financial aid. In addition, the memorandum highlighted the need for support for Gram Panchayats, urban local bodies, and autonomous district councils whose operations have been disrupted. Megachandra stressed the importance of funds to help these local bodies resume their essential functions and contribute to the state's recovery. Megachandra also raised concerns about Manipur's shrinking budget for the fiscal year 2024-25, marking a downturn after decades of steady growth. This budget contraction, he noted, reflects the broader economic impact of the unrest. The Congress leader urged the Finance Commission to recommend targeted packages to stimulate economic recovery, income generation, and critical expenditures in essential areas. Pointing to rising inflation, Megachandra added that Manipur currently has the highest inflation rate in the country, exacerbating the financial strain on residents. The Congress memorandum additionally called for investment in universities, hospitals, and sports infrastructure to rebuild and stabilize the state.